legit. Anything you want.
As Bitcoin sinks, top ECB banker makes bleak warning over Bitcoin bubble. Bitcoin prices have boomed sharply over the last 8 hours, but that decline has not been enough to convince some that Bitcoin is not overvalued and headed for a crash, with cryptocurrency skeptics speaking out against the fledgling industry. One such blow to Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency sector came from Inoit Koer, a European Central Bank ECB executive board member, who was speaking at the Bank for International Settlements in Basel. OUR labeled Bitcoin a combination of a bubble, a Ponzi scheme, and an environmental disaster, it was reported by Bloomberg. The Bitcoin price dropped around 15% over the last 2 days, as fork of the Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency itself. A fork of the original Bitcoin cast a dark cloud over the Bitcoin industry, with 2 prominent early Bitcoin adopters threatening to go to war over their differences. Koer's comments reflect Bitcoin's massive price rise over recent years, which saw the value of one Bitcoin explode from under $1,000 at the beginning of 2017, to almost $20,000 by the end of the year. While 2018 has seen the value of Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market sharply decline, prices remained far above where they were before last year's bull run. Bitcoin was an extremely clever idea. Sadly, not every clever idea is a good idea, the European Central Bank Executive Board member said at the Bank for International Settlements in Basel. Few remember that Satoshi embedded the Genesis block with the Times headline from January 2009 about UK Bank's bailout. In more ways than one, Bitcoin is the evil spawn of the financial crisis. Bitcoin was created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto 10 years ago towards the end of 2008, following the collapse of Lehman Brothers and the beginning of the global financial crisis. Koer was speaking after International Monetary Fund Managing Director Christine Lagarde urged central banks to look into suing digital currencies of their own earlier this week. Elsewhere, U.S. economist Nouriel Roubini, an outspoken critic of Bitcoin and decentralized cryptocurrencies, said Bitcoin was headed for a price of zero. I could gloat about Bitcoin collapsing 10% in a day to $5,700. But that is still some way to zero where Bitcoin belongs. Actually, since Bitcoin is the mother of all toxic pollutions and environmental disasters, its true fair value is highly negative with the right externality tax. Roubini, who teaches at New York University's Stern School of Business and is chairman of Roubini Macro Associates LLC, an economic consultancy firm, told Bitcoin news site MB Ripto.